We're at Costco, if you can't tell. Costco is my favorite place to get keto foods and do keto hauls. What's up, YouTube? It's Jessie Lee, and call me #BOSSLEE, and I hope you love the video you're about to see. I'm pretty sure you will, because it's always content over here. I want to tell you about a couple other things, specifically one that you can also get some more value from, and all you need to do, and you can do it now, just pause this video, is go ahead and text YouTube to 844-277-9762. I'm going to be really upping the text game, and it's literally me texting you back. So if you want to have a more one-on-one conversation with me, enjoy the video, subscribe, comment below, and make sure you text YouTube again to 844-277-9762. Because you can get a lot of really good stuff in not only bulk, but also a lot of variety. And basically everything here is keto. This is actually where you can also, I'll show you some things. I'm gonna show you some hacks. So I'm gonna actually go down a couple different aisles as well that maybe you're not expecting me to go down. Like this, no, not this one, this next one. These are great for those of you who are starting to do intermittent fasting, because it's just gonna make your water bubbly. When your water is bubbly, your stomach's more full. So when I first started getting into fasting and extended fasts, I was a big fan of carbonated water. So they sell that at Costco right now for $79.99. It's not a great deal right now. So maybe wait it out, but holla. Okay, so for those of you who don't know, I am a big fan of air fryers. Some people say that keto, there's like little, you know, they're like, oh, I don't know about my air fryer, I don't know about my Instapot. I use my air fryer literally almost every day. You can do chicken wings in it, you can do steak in it, you can do any meats in it, you can do bacon in it, you can do sausage in it, you can do roasted like peppers with stuffed peppers in it. And so right now, as an example, here at Costco down this aisle, there is this air fryer. I don't have this one, but there is an asterisk by it. That's actually a Costco hack as well. If there's an asterisk, it means it's about to leave. And so this got put up on 3/24/20, which means it just got here actually, but it's already almost ready to leave. So I would expect for this to drop actually in the near future. So little fun hack. Okay, so right down the street, huge keto hack. If you are keto and you do not have a pressure cooker, I'm telling you, I cook everything in here. I cook keto soups in here. I cook lamb chops in here. I cook all kinds of stuff in here because I like being able to put everything in one thing. That's just like, makes keto so easy. So this is this one is a 6-quart pressure cooker Instapot. I have the bigger one. You can get it on Amazon. I think I got mine on Best Buy. There was a super sale. But when they drop on sale at Costco, these are a really good keto hack.
How's it different from crock pot?
So the Instapot is different from a crock pot because it cooks way faster. So crock pot is actually on sale right now at Costco. Shocker. But it just doesn't take as long. So it's making your, you know, some of you have time to do slow cooking stuff. Some of you don't. I don't always have time for that. Or maybe I'm in the middle of working my business or something along the likes of that. And so I don't have time for that.